This is Pastor Dan Betzer thanking you for your time this time. All of us at First Assembly are so pleased you joined us today. This is our personal invitation to you to visit us one day very soon. We're located at the corner of Colonial and Summerlin in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. Our Sunday morning services are at 9 and 11, with Sunday school at the same time, and I teach a special sanctuary class at 8 o'clock in the morning. Our Sunday evening services are at 6, and our Wednesday night family night services begin at 7. We have acres of free parking and a nursery for your children. Join us again next week for Celebration Under the Silverdome, or better yet, come see us soon. We'll be looking for you. And now may the best of our Lord Jesus be yours.